Hey everyone, today we're diving into a fascinating topic. How to handle a situation where a woman was initially interested in you but suddenly pulled away. We will discuss ways to reignite that interest, so let's get into the step. Number 1. Understand the cause. The first step is to understand the cause. Why did she, who was initially interested, suddenly distance herself? Many of us focus too much on our initial image without ensuring that what we offer aligns with reality. Start building yourself from within, improve your character, mindset, and overall quality as an individual. Don't just focus on tricks to make a woman interested. Elevate yourself as a person. Number 2. Give time and self-improvement. During this period, give her time and use the time to become better. Channel the energy of confusion and sadness into self-improvement. Start exercising, find positive hobbies, drop negative habits, and focus on personal growth. Don't let the feeling of loss destroy you. Use it as fuel to become the best version of yourself. Number 3. Don't treat her as special. Throughout this period, don't treat her as special. Consider your relationship with her as something new and not as a failed romance. Avoid obsessing over one woman to the point of overlooking that there are many others out there who might be a better fit. Concentrate on self-improvement, not just to win her back, but for your own future. Number 4. Reopen communication wisely. Lastly, if she starts showing signs of coming closer, reopen the lines of communication wisely. Make sure you're genuinely ready and have become a better man. Don't hesitate to decline if you're not sure. Remember, the most important thing is to reopen communication only if you feel she deserves to accompany you after the positive changes you've made. So, those are the 4 steps to overcome a situation where a woman was initially interested but then pulled away. Remember, that change must start from within ourselves. Good luck, bro, and stay motivated.